Over the years, we have seen the treatment of bone disorders revolutionize. As Mediheal Group of Hospitals became an addition to the medical fraternity, the provision for excellent orthopedic services was factored in.
Some people live their life limping but not treating.
Nilikuwa nacheza boli, nilikuwa nimepata jeraha in 2012. After that nimewacha boli mpaka nipate solution. Nilikuwa nimesikia kama hiyo solution inaweza patikana Kenya hii.
Mediheal Hospital is giving its best effort to bring services of fixing bones, reconstructing ligaments.
We have to do the surgery in a limited place with a mechanic or biomechanics of that bone or muscles and without damaging the tendons or nerves, artery around it. Because I have some inclination towards the engineering and biomechanics. So that inclination made me more interested in the orthopedics.
Orthopedics is divided into two, that is general orthopedics and cold orthopedics. General contains degenerative, that is arthritis, sports medicine, orthopedic oncology, that is tumors involving the bone and the bone marrow, and spine surgery. Cold orthopedics contains trauma, the complex traumas, fractures, musculoskeletal injuries.
Now we are doing total knee, total hip replacements, endoscopy surgeries, arthroscopy surgeries.
With the development of technology and instrumentation, we have started treating patients for elbow and shoulder as well in the form of joint replacement.
Concepts have changed. Before we used to do an open surgeries. Now we use minimally invasive surgeries where the plates and screws are passed beneath the skin and fix it up.
We are having a good specialist in Mediheal to diagnose the first patient and for the other treatments.
Radiology plays a very important role in the management of orthopedic cases.
The basic investigations which we do to diagnose any orthopedic related complication is an X-ray to diagnose if there is any fracture. We do X-rays also for the joints to look at any abnormality in the bone.
MRI has come up now, which gives us excellent information of musculoskeletal areas for a more specific diagnosis. In Mediheal, we have 1.5 Tesla MRIs, state-of-art equipment for diagnosing cases in orthopedics. We can more specifically diagnose any cases of infection, bone contusion, anything related with ligament tear, tendon and meniscal tear.
We also do a CT scan to see the alignment of the bone, if there is any displacement in the fracture, and thus helps the orthopedician to plan the treatment for the patient.
Any hip replacement or knee replacement patients, those are all like elective surgeries. The problem patient is facing since from long days. So in that conditions, the muscle power will go down. Preoperatively, we need to strengthen the patient muscles so that if the muscle power is okay, post-operatively they will recover very fast.
Role of anesthesia doesn't restrict to the giving anesthesia in the operation theatre. It starts from the operational. There are different types of anesthesia. In general anesthesia, you are fully made unconscious. In regional anesthesia, neuroaxial anesthesia, or half of bodies will be given anesthesia so that you should not feel any pain or sensation.
Anesthesiologists are feeling more comfortable for the safety of their patients with the regional anesthesia and the nerve blocks with the ultrasound guidance.
If there is surgery in upper hand like finger or arm or forearm, we only give the block in the upper arm so that only that part of limb will be anesthetized.
The conventional epidural block or spinal anesthesia was causing lot of BP fall and aggravation of the cardiac problems. When we are giving the nerve block of that particular leg, there will not be any impact on the blood pressure.
Because of availability of ultrasound, nowadays we give all regional blocks like upper limb block, lower limb blocks.
We will keep a catheter inside the nerve which is supplying that particular leg and surgery area. So this can be kept for 48 hours. Patient will have extremely good relief.
Common sports-related injuries are meniscus or ligaments involving the knee joint. Cuff injuries and labral pathologies are now dealt with arthroscopy through a minimum keyhole, which earlier were dealt with an open surgery involving the shoulders.
Joint replacements require in less than 45 minutes. It decreases the chance of infection.
The implant prosthetic material usually nowadays used is titanium and cobalt chromium, which are very lightweight, but they are very strong enough. The lifespan is longer than this stainless steel. Very much safe. They are approved in the laboratory. They have no allergic reaction.
Every patient has some worry while before going surgery. After surgery, what happens to the pain? For pain management, we have different modalities. We can give oral medication, we can give IV medication, peripheral neural block also, we can put catheter. So with these different modes, patient can be happy.
Post-operative knee replacement patients, hip replacement patients also will be fine in 4 to 6 weeks. Post-operative ankle replacement or post-operative shoulder replacement, it may take long time for the recovery. We need to rehabilitate for the minimum 3 to 4 months. Then only their hands and the ankles will be okay.
The joint effort by the dedicated staff in the orthopedic arm of this institution offers uncompromised medical attention to patients in Kenya and beyond.
Mediheal walikuwa wamenipatia matibabu mzuri sana, nilikuwa nimefurahia. Sasa hivi nasikia mguu wangu imebadilika. Naweza tembea na nasikia roho yangu imetulia sasa hivi.
At Mediheal, everything that we do is patient-centric and in an innovative way. That's the reason we are able to deliver the most advanced techniques in an innovative way at a very affordable price to the patients.
The latest affordable treatment, coupled with clinical and service excellence, makes Mediheal Group of Hospitals a trusted partner for quality orthopedic services.